Water is one of the necessities of life, but that doesn't mean it should appear wherever it wants to. I'm Danny Lifford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll look at waterproofing right after this.
Fall is just around the corner. So are Labor Day savings now at the Home Depot, where you can save every day on everything, from mulch to power tools, new appliances to a fresh coat of paint. You can even shop and save right from the app and get convenient delivery right to your door. The only question is, what will you do next? Tackle more fall projects with Labor Day savings now at the Home Depot. How doers get more done. U.S. only while supplies last, valid through September 7th.
Masonry surfaces are, by nature, porous. That is why moisture problems are particularly predominant in basements and more often noticeable during rainfall. The solution is twofold. First of all, make sure the grade of your property slopes away from your home so that no rain has a chance to pond anywhere near the foundation. Then use a good quality masonry waterproofer that controls the access of unwanted moisture by creating a barrier on the interior surface of your basement wall. Masonry waterproofers, like thick paint, can be applied by brush or roller. Just be sure to look for a product that includes additives to resist mold and mildew and includes a heavy-duty resin for maximum adhesion to the masonry surface. I'm Danny Lifford with tips for today's homeowner.